I
Hey,
love
yeah,
you.
you.
Oh, shh, tao đi rồi. Shoo shoo. Hi. Hello friends, good morning once again. Welcome back to our channel. So hope that all of you are doing great, and today we are thinking to go to the second-hand market to explore some clothes. So let's find what type of clothes we get, and then like some of you are saying that my voice is very low. Yes, my voice is little bit soft. I can't say a little loud, but I'll try my best to speak louder and audible, and I'm also trying to get some mic for that. So please guys manage for some days, and so before that we'll have some fun with Vianney, and so guys stay tuned. Mama kay mama.
Mama.
Mama kisip yung mama da. kisip ano makuchano chichi mano hi hello I chichi I
Hey,
love
yeah,
you.
you. No.
Oh. Au. Puyo mama. Au. Ah. Ah. 보이시죠? 뭐 보이죠? 더 그러게. 뒷. Chubby cheeks over. Chubby cheeks, dimple chin, rosy lips, teeth with tin, curly hair, very fair, eyes are blue, love it too. Teacher's pet, is that you? Yes, yes. Wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. Wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. The doors on the bus go open and shut, open and shut, open and shut. The doors on the bus go open and shut, all through the town. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town. The babies on the bus go wow, 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 wow. Wow, 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 the babies on the bus go wow, 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 all through the town. The mommies on the bus go shh, 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 shh. The mommies on the bus go shh, 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 all through the town. Teddy? Shall I do Teddy? Hello.
Hello.
Hello, Vianney. Ish. Malam-malam tahu siya.
Mono. Daddy.
Panda? Where's your panda? Panda kat? Ano? Teddy dah tush tahu dah. Tush. Pak tahu matunda pak. Shh. Oh no. Oh, shh. Tahu dah. Susu. Ulta harga susu tahu bra. Hello guys, so once again like today it was raining heavily, so I could not go to the second-hand market because of the heavy rain. So I'm so sorry guys, I could not show you that, but I have a good news and good information. Like please be excited. This is like my friend, she's selling a doll, you can say doll, a huge doll, and it is very beautiful. It's a panda. So if you like, you can please DM me or message me, so I'll show you the panda. So here is the panda, the huge panda. See, it's very beautiful. Is the price is just rupees 4k. The actual price was 75k, but my friend, since like she bought it and she just used it once, so she want to sell it again, resell it. So if you want it, you can like please DM me or you can text me. Like, this is a very beautiful panda.
boy, Buddha. Good boy. Teddy, good boy. Kissy, kissy. Kissy, 사랑해, 그래. Shake your booty. Shake your booty. 또 monkey 기냐고 해? monkey.
Hi. Today I really want to thank some of you, like thank you so much for supporting us so much and showing us so much of love. Like I can't say how much I'm happy, like because of your support. Thank you so much. And like thank you so much my another sis Aseno for supporting us and giving us so much of love. Thank you so much from the bottom of our heart. Though we cannot meet personally now, but by God's grace, I hope that in the future we will surely meet and spend our time together. So thank you so much, sis, and thank you all my subscribers for showing so much of love and support. Thank you.